Hi everyone, an essential tip. To locate the OBD plug on most new vehicles, our Snap-on Ethos Edge has a function to help you locate the OBD plug. To help you locate an OBD plug in a vehicle, you can select OBD, eOBD, OBD Diagnose, and connector information is displayed. When you select connector information, the various brands come up on your screen. Select the vehicle you're looking for. In this case, it's a X5, and it tells us that the connector is near the hood release behind the cover on the kick panel. Now that we know where the OBD plug is, we open the cover, and that's our plug. Before we do any connection, we must make sure to examine the plug for no obstructions or broken pins that may damage your DLC connector when you're actually connecting up to the vehicle. When we check everything is clear, we check our plug and we connect on.